Hey guys, welcome back. This is Caesar from Puente Hyundai, and today I'm going to be going over the sound system on the 2020 Santa Fe's. This is going to be available for the SEL Turbo and also the Limited. Alright folks, so I'm going to be going over the sound settings for the vehicle. Your first setting is going to be the position. Now you're going to be able to move this around just depending on how you want to hear your music, and you can also center it back using the arrows here as well. From there, we're going to be going to the volume setting. Now this is going to be for, of course you see here the sound, system sound, and also the phone projection. So pretty much what that means is you're able to control the sounds based on if your phone's plugged in or just the actual sounds for the Hyundai system here. The third menu is going to be the tone. Now the tone, you're going to be able to do the bass, the mid-range, and the treble, which is going to be like in every other vehicle. If you go to priority, this is going to be able to set proximity warning and startup volume limit. So the proximity warning is going to be when you're putting the car in reverse, it's going to lower the volume for you. If you want to take that off, all you have to do is just uncheck mark it. Now for the startup volume, if you left your volume on in your vehicle higher than the factory setting, it'll automatically readjust it down to the lower setting. If you want to turn that off, you can also do that one as well. Now your last menu is going to be the advanced. With the advanced, you're able to put the speed dependent volume on. That will increase the volume depending on how fast you're going inside the vehicle. So our last sound setting is going to be the surround sound. That's going to be able to give you a better music experience throughout the vehicle. Your vocals are going to be better, and there's going to be more bass to the sound as well. Default, that's if you want to put everything back to the default settings, pretty much as if you would have bought the car brand new. So on the right corner, you're able to see the beep notification, and it is highlighted blue. So if you ever wanted to take that off, you can just by pushing it, and that'll disable the beep. So now when you go to each little menu, you won't hear that beeping noise anymore. All right, you guys, thank you for joining us again here at Puente Hyundai. If you guys have any questions at all, please reach us out. Please comment, subscribe, like, and follow, and we'll see you next time here at Puente Hyundai.